Fresh water po ito. Umaagos na yan. Then, hanggang doon sa may dagat. It's a mixture of fresh water. Tapos, ito naman yung dagat, oh. Yung salt water. Hawakan nga natin. Kasi, pick up tayo ng shell. It was lovely. Ganda ng view, guys, oh. It's a beautiful view.